So what's up guys? Gang, it's me back again. I want to show you a video. Okay, I'm gonna do some content. Sijui kama mnanisikia but yeah, naona kuna zangu hapo nyuma. So I'm heading on that way. Nimeona Subaru fulani going on this Medei road. This is Subaru. Just look at that. Oh Lord. Hii iko na hadi macho bro. Go up. Iko na gari poa. What the hell? Guys, yeah, so I guess it wasn't to be a long video, but I was just after that's bad. Yeah, and it was fun. So we're actually thinking of getting some scratches. No, something. And plus, I want to pick up to my classmates, my coach. Yeah, so we'll meet when we get to buy a fish. Yeah. So maybe I'll just buy it again. Just look at that beauty. Fuck. I think wanaenda ku. So, sasa tumeamua tunaenda siku moja. And yeah, then turudi home. So I'll see you, nitaonyeshana tukifika hapo kwa base ya smocha. Yeah, nionyeshe my smocha plan. Cheni nionyeshe how we ride with my bro. Sasa ndio huyo anakanyanga. Oh my god, just now amepatana na one of his classmates. I'm actually free hands. Na tuko na kona hapo mbele. Na anasonga this side. Kama nijua najua ako on camera. Kai, we. Nimuonyeshe kidogo tu. So this is the second part of the vlog. Hapa nakula vumbi. So you have some speed bumps over here. So if I take your tuk-tuk, you go on the side, then I continue on the side. And I'm on free hands. So yeah. Look at the sun set. Mimi dana kitaka kupita tu. Oh, nasikia nimechoka guys. Oh my lord. Ndio hiyo. Nipite dance sasa na wote. You know, biking, what you check. Unafaa kuwa umepumzika like. Get it? So kutoka hapa, I'll pause it so that you can see where I'm going to. Tunaingia in a townish place. Anything can happen. So, yeah. So guys, we're in town. Naonyesha kuna smocha. Alafu this guy, the smocha guy, anatuwekeanga twende hivi. Anaekanga hadi avocado kwa smocha. So let me show you that guy. So guys, I'll see. Imefika?
Nimesikia kama imefika. Simeleta jina lolote.
Watching this video, as umeona na hii smocha na kula nikienjoy hapa. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the share, and please comment. Umeona hizo Subaru. Yeah. So until next time, goodbye.